Okay, confession time. I am not a night person, but I'm a doctor now and we have 12-hour long night shifts. So today, you and I are gonna get ready for it. Hi guys, I'm Advika and welcome back to Big Basket's YouTube channel. So currently it's 6 p.m. and I just got from a big nap. If you don't know, I am an intern doctor now and we have our 12-hour long night shifts. Currently, I'm posted in the OBGYN department and I am in the labor room today. So first things first, we need to go take a quick shower because right now I am still sleepy and we need to freshen up. So let's go take a quick shower. Okay, so I just took a shower and definitely I feel so much better. The weirdest part I find about getting ready for my night shifts is doing my AM routine but in PM. Like I'm getting ready now, so I'm gonna brush right now and it's literally 6 p.m. It's crazy, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. As you can see, my skin has been breaking out a lot lately and I genuinely believe it is due to the non-existence of my sleep schedule. कभी कभी मैं दिन में सोती हूँ, कभी कभी मैं रात में सोती हूँ, कुछ भी चल रहा है basically. Okay, I'm gonna be using my sunscreen now. I know it's 7 p.m. but if I don't put on my sunscreen while going to work, I just genuinely don't feel like I'm going to work. So it's just a weird thing that I do for my night routine. Okay guys, my skincare is done. What's the time? Let me check the time. Oh my god, it's 6:20. Guys, we need to speed up. Let's go to the kitchen now. Okay guys, अगर ये मेरी day shift होती जहाँ पे मुझे 12 hours work करना होता, I honestly would have been very relaxed when it comes to food because I know I can order food anytime, I can eat anything I want. But that's not the case when it's my night shift. क्योंकि रात को we don't really have much options, so I pre-stock up on my snacks and also take something with me from home. I know आपके और मेरे दिमाग में एक word definitely आता होगा and that is coffee. तो चलो let's make some coffee. I'm gonna be taking it in my tumbler as well. Guys, coffee तो खत्म हो गई. We have time. जल्दी से let's order coffee. Okay, so I ordered some essentials from Big Basket. The first thing I got is, of course, coffee. This is the only companion I need for my night shifts. So we had to get this. Now guys, अगर मेरी day shift होती 12 hour 14 hours doesn't matter. When it comes to food, I am always like कुछ नहीं होगा तो हम order कर लेंगे. But I can't say the same thing at night, right? So I always have to prepare myself, carry some snacks with me. So I ordered some snacks as well. First up, I got some bread because I'm planning to take some peanut butter toast with me. I got 3 of my favorite chocolates. Of course, सारे नहीं ले जाऊँगी. But one. I also got Odomos because बहुत मच्छर है and it's also dengue season. So you guys also stay safe from the mosquitoes. Last but not the least, I also stocked up on stationery because I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I do take 2 pens with me. It's always good to take some extra pens with you. And yeah, that's it. That goes really fast. तो चलो जल्दी से coffee बनाते हैं. It is 6:38 now. Okay, now we have our coffee. Let's make it. Let me know some cool coffee recipes if you guys know any. I am a beginner to homemade coffees, so honestly I'm like average. My coffee recipe is very simple. 2 spoons of coffee and equal amount of sugar, sometimes a little more. And then I whisk it up. Then I add some ice and some milk. Mix it all up and we have the most perfect cold coffee ready. Now I was also feeling a little hungry, so I decided to make the easiest thing possible, that is a peanut butter toast. I know it's nothing extra, but honestly it's such a good way to fill yourself up for a 12-hour shift. Okay, so my coffee is ready, and I also made some peanut butter toast for myself. I'm going to make some more so that I can pack for my tiffin. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to relax, take a few minutes, eat my meal. Yeah. Okay, well now it's time to change, get ready. Now the one thing I love about working as a doctor is that I don't even have to think about what I'm going to wear. It's as per usual, scrubs. I have these 3 colors, pink, purple and green. Comments में बताओ which color should I pick? If you said green, you won. I'm gonna be wearing green. Time for a smooth transition. Ta-da! I'm all ready. Yay! Now, let's pack my bag. Okay guys, it's time to pack my bag. So the bag I take with me is a gym bag जिसमें literally हर कुछ ही आ जाता है. So that's the reason I take it. First thing I'm taking with me a water bottle, my charger, some snacks. Now I'm also taking a small bag जो कि मैं इस बैग में से निकाल के अपने साथ ले जाती हूँ. तो इसमें we will keep of course my stethoscope, my attendance copy, my stamp which literally says Dr. Advika on it. अब ये पेन्स जो हमने ऑर्डर किए थे इसमें से 2 पेन्स I'm gonna keep inside my small bag and the rest I'm gonna keep inside the big one because as I told you I don't even know ये 2 पेन्स मेरे साथ वापस आएगी या नहीं. And of course Odomos. And that is about it. And my bag is all ready. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm all ready and thankfully I'm on time. Thanks to Big Basket for that. Before we end this video, here is the giveaway question. What was the one weird habit that I talked about in my routine today? Comment down below and get a chance to win an exciting voucher from Big Basket. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Big Basket's channel and let us know what you'd like to see next.